What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to talk about this potential sleeping gem. Okay, it's called the Sleepless AI, and it was launched recently. Okay, so if you come over here to the statistics, we can see that from the all-time low to the all-time high, you all increased 38.20%. All right, so it was listed on CoinGecko 2 days ago, 5th of January 2024. Okay, all-time high was 3 hours ago, which was $1.62. Currently trading at 1.44. And if we look at the trading volume, $221 million, all right, which is crazy. And the interesting thing about this thing is it was launched on Binance Exchange. Okay, so if you come over here, we can see that it's on Binance. And if you come over here to the docs, we can see where was it? We can see that they had a Launchpad right here, Binance Labs. Okay, so if you're familiar with Binance Labs, you can see that where was it? They were on Binance, and then from Binance, they then launched on Binance. Where is it? Let me just find the link for y'all so I can show you. Token sales right here. Okay, right here. So Binance made this announcement on the 26th of December 2023. Okay, that they will be adding this Sleepless AI token to Binance Launch Pool, and you could stake BNB or FDUSD and TUSD in order to get some allocation. So usually what happens is the team project will contact Binance, and they will come to agreement, and then they will say, okay, yes, let's go ahead and use Binance Launch Pool to gain some traction. So eventually Binance users, they either stake BNB, FDUSD or TUSD in order to get some of these tokens, all right, at the cheaper price, right? So Binance allocation was 7% of the total token supply. Okay, and the initial circulation supply is 13% of 130 million tokens. Okay, and essentially all you got to do is just give some BNB or USD in order to receive some of these AI tokens. Okay, and that's what happened. So this launch pool started on the 28th of December and ended on the 3rd of January. Okay, and then from there, Binance, this token, Sleepless AI, was launched on Binance on the 4th, on the following day. Okay, and surprisingly, usually when these kind of tokens are staked on Binance Launch Pool, they do crazy X's. So if you remember the previous one, which was the Arkham, it did around 13 to 15 X's, right? So I staked a little bit of BNB and earned like 2 or 3 coins, but my coin still this day I'm still holding it, and I'm still up 7X's. Okay, so that's why I'm so surprised that these token hasn't done X's yet. Okay, that's why I'm talking about it, because I don't see many people talking about it, and seems like this thing has a potential. So let's go over to the website. So if you click over here, it will take you to this website where we can see the Sleepless AI, what it's all about. So let me just tell you, this still in beta testing. Okay, so it's not fully functional, but essentially what's going to happen is, so you got an option to choose either a male or a female, and then for example you choose one, and then over here we got a few potential artificial girlfriends. All right, so where you can talk, you can customize, and etc. So currently talk is not available, chat is not available, but you can customize. So if you come over here to the FAQs, okay, we can find so you'll have to choose either a female or a male partner. You can play for free, yes, so still in beta version, but if you purchase some Sleepless AI tokens and NFTs, you'll be able to customized, so you'll have more engaging conversations. You can dress them up, stylish clothes, and share delicious meals, etc. So essentially would be your virtual girlfriend. Okay, so I, I don't know. I'm not into these kind of games, but I know a lot of people like this kind of games. So this thing can have a huge potential. Still in beta version yet, but this thing can have a huge potential. So if you come over here to the Twitter page, they have 128,000 followers, and guess who's following this token? Joey Paris. This guy is a crypto legend. Okay, and whoever he follows, so he must be seeing something with this project. That's why he's following it. Okay, so it's really, really interesting to see. And yes, I feel like this Sleepless AI, it might do something crazy. So we have 3,000 people watching this coin right now. We don't know how many holders, but we can see that the trading volume is insane, right? It's insane. So if you come over here to the last 24 hours, we can see that it reached the peak over here, all-time high, and it's quite. Let me go over to the deck screen and see if I can find a chart. Okay, guys, so looking at this chart, we can see the price did some real axis. Okay, so we can see that on the 4th, when it went live, okay, we can see that the price, I think, was launched at around 0.0008 or something like that. And then from there, went all the way, I don't know, this is a really long way, to $3. Okay, so I'm just putting over here so we can see that that's 335,000. So probably that's 235 X's. That's insane, right? So that's 235 X's. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, it did it. And um, this is the chart right here. So he's having a small pullback, and from here, sky's the limit, right? So that's why I strongly believe that this thing has a good potential to go higher. So if I'm gonna check my Binance account, if I have some dollars available, I'm gonna invest $50 on this thing, like I did with the other token. What was it? Mobile token. So if I have $50, I'm gonna invest $50, and it will give me, at the current price, 34.72 tokens. And yeah, let it ride. So if this thing goes to $10, my um 34 tokens will be worth 340 tokens. Well, yeah, 340. Yeah, 340 tokens. So yeah, it's a gamble. It's a gamble, guys. But at the same time, I can see that this thing has a good potential to go up. But that's just my opinion. If Joe Paris is following this thing, that means he saw something with this. All right. So that being said, guys, only invest with capital. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.